Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Powerstroke in the shop. Oh no, unfortunately Powerstroke's in the shop again. Oh no. Oh, it's okay. We're going to be putting on a aftermarket intake that we purchased online at Rudy's. We purchased it online at rudys.com just the other day. It came in today actually. So we're going to be installing it. It's nothing fancy. The factory air filter is definitely bad in it. I haven't replaced it in, I don't know, a good little while. But it's definitely time to replace it. And the pipe for the intake matches the rest of the pipes that we put on in a previous video. So that's pretty neat. There she is right there. Nice and chunky. It's got a pretty nice tall filter. Has a S&B intake filter cover. Just a few other things it comes with. It's a rubber plug. I believe it does something kind of like how this one is. The factory has something to do with that. Not sure, we'll get to that here in a minute. A couple of clamps, boot, a bracket. I'm not really sure on assembly because there's not really instructions, but we're going to get started and hope for the best. Here we go. Definitely. Watch out, she there. Extension. We gotta take the battery out because there's a bolt down here that holds on to the bottom of this thing that we have to get to. So you might as well go ahead and take the battery out now. Excuse the noise. Man's gotta do what man's gotta do. Leafy. Almost ready. All right, we'll be right back. So the battery is out. I need to clean up my terminals anyway, so that's good. I'll do the clamps. There's this one. This right here. Come on. Tuck that back out of the way because we gotta plug that back, this whole sensor back in a little while. One piece out of the way. Get this honking junk out of here somehow. Oh, there's two bolts. Okay. one more bolt. Just to be able to get the filter out. God damn.
You don't look that bad, but it's definitely restricted. Restricted. I mean, this anymore. That's gonna be hard on me to do. Hold right there. I can get there and take the one off the turbo. But that was on. See this very well. You can see I was back here. And climb off right there. This looks like it's enough, yeah. Yeah. You get to see what the front of this wheel looks like. It's more food all the time. It's like a factory, like a tab on the back here or something. I can't break it. Tire really broke. You can't see it in there around. Not bad. The axle's gonna be right there. Check out the board or something.
All right, little update video. Apparently the GoPro cut off last time. But so what we got is I was able to get the pipe off the front of the turbo. Got that loose. There's a little breather right there that I had to take loose and attach it to the new filter, which I do have that all set up and ready to go with the new sensor, or excuse me, with the old sensor put in with the new hardware. Got the filter on, the suck on, the mounting bracket, which goes down here, basically mounts in where the old one did, which is neat, didn't know that. Got the boot and clamps ready to go so I can put it back on the turbo. Pretty much just got a little bit of a lining and we'll be ready to go. Put the batteries back in and, well, actually I was obviously tighten everything down, then put the batteries back in and we'll go from there. But just wanted to give a little update on it, I guess. These guys can't really see much. I'm kind of a big guy and in the way, but trying to do what I can. Can't really see much past the coolant reservoir. That seems pretty tight. Okay. Clamp. Put it facing the way I like. Gunk and shit back there, I guess, huh? Cool. Hopefully won't need any more extensions than that. I'm just gonna kind of let everything fall into place as best I can. Down and under. Shorten that. I was not wanting to shorten this. Pause. Alright everyone, we have it all put in. It's all tightened down. Everything's back together. I haven't put the batteries back in or tightened down the tray yet. I was just doing a final tightening, making sure everything was good. All that's tight up there. That was fun. Having to maneuver back there. Big hands, you know. But we're going to put the batteries back in, put it back together, and then we're going to start it up. All right, everyone. We've got the batteries tied back down. Everything's safely secured, double, triple checked. Walk over here. Show you this one's real good. Checked on my pipes. I do have a slight tear on this boot right here, which is the one I keep, this is the one I keep having problems with. Anyway, everything's all tight. Everything looks pretty damn good, if I'd say so myself. Truck's been in here for a couple hours. We're gonna give it a cold start. Let's set this here for a second and open the door. All right. Set you guys up over here. You guys get first glimpse just like I will. And if it sounds any better, if it does anything different. Hold on momentarily. We gotta find the truck keys. After retracing my steps, I found the truck keys. All right. Get a truck. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to wrap up today's video on putting in the new intake on the F250. If you guys have any comments or any questions about it or anything maybe I skipped over or anything I didn't do, it kind of went fast and the video didn't record a whole lot of it, but it wasn't very hard, kind of self-explanatory once you took the old one off and fiddled with it a little while. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Y'all stay fancy.